Public Engagement and Equity Update July 15th, Part 2. Minnesota's draft wolf plan is ready for public review. The Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, DNR, is welcoming comments until August 8, 2022 on a draft of Minnesota's updated wolf management plan that incorporates the diverse views of people in Minnesota and will guide the state's approach to wolf conservation once finalized. Wolf conservation is a priority for the DNR, and their expectation is that the updated plan will help ensure Minnesota's wolf population remains healthy. The DNR believes it is critical to have all voices about wolves at the table during this process. With public input, the DNR can properly evaluate how the wolf management plan is working and identify what may need to be improved. To learn more about wolves in Minnesota, pre-register to attend an informational webinar happening July 13th at 6 p.m. or review and comment on the draft plan. Visit the DNR Wolf page. Update on monkeypox. As of July 8th, there have been 9 confirmed cases of monkeypox reported in Minnesota. While Minnesota's case numbers are currently low, state health officials believe not all patients with monkeypox have sought testing or assessment by a healthcare provider, and they are concerned that the number of infections could grow rapidly unless people who are at risk for monkeypox take steps to protect themselves, recognize when they may be infected, and seek medical care promptly if they are. The monkeypox virus is spread by close contact, typically skin-to-skin contact with rash, scabs, or body fluids, or contact with materials that have been contaminated with rash, scabs, or body fluids, such as clothing or bedding, or prolonged face-to-face contact. Monkeypox is less infectious than other diseases like COVID-19, measles, chickenpox, and influenza. However, it can be easily spread by contact with the skin lesions. More information about the virus and how to limit infection risk can be found at the MDH monkeypox website and CDC monkeypox website. Apply for an appointment to a state board or commission. State licensing boards are an important part of ensuring a just, safe, and thriving working environment across multiple professions. Boards and commissions make decisions on the licensure, regulation, and required education for workers, which can affect the working conditions of people in Minnesota and their access to these professions. Please consider applying and sharing these opportunities with your family, friends, and network. Examples of current vacancies include the Cultural and Ethnic Communities Leadership Council, CECLC, the Board of Medical Practice, and the Environmental Quality Board. More information and applications can be found on the Minnesota Secretary of State's website. Please contact gov.appointments@state.mn.us with any questions. Please consider applying and sharing these opportunities with your family, friends, and network. Finally, Governor Tim Walz has proclaimed the month of July as Disability Pride Month. With this proclamation, Minnesota acknowledges that celebrating the progress made since the passing of the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990, ADA, is only a starting point. While there remains significant room for progress toward full and equitable access and inclusion for all people with disabilities in Minnesota. During this month and throughout the year, we also honor and celebrate the progress towards equity made by disability communities and advocates.